I'm Sarah Stackhouse with ISSA TV. Today we're speaking with Callie Starter with Spartan Chemical. Thank you so much for joining us.
Hello.
So tell us a little bit about your product that you have here and why it's so innovative.
Sure. So this is foamyiQ, and foamyiQ is the first of its kind. It's a dispensing cartridge, so there's no dispenser. When you're done, you just take it off the wall and recycle it and put on a fresh new one. So you're always getting a fresh, new dispensing cartridge each time that you replace it. So when the cartridge is empty, just come in, click it off, and then put this in the recycle bin, and then bring a fresh new cartridge in and attach it to the wall. It's that simple.
That sounds great. And what made you guys think of this? Why is this so innovative for your company?
Well, our customers were telling us that the big problem that they have is inventorying and managing all of these different dispensers, and so this was a way to solve for that. Plus, we didn't want to just come out with another, hand hygiene system. We wanted to do something that was innovative. So we actually used open innovation to come up with this design, and contracted with a mechanical engineer that had this really cool concept, and then went through and took it from like a piece of paper to where it is now. So it's pretty cool.
That's very cool. Why is it so important for the industry to stay innovative?
In our industry, the biggest cost is the labor, and so anything that we can do to help our customers reduce their labor costs is valued. So that's why we're innovating for them.
That's wonderful. Well, tell us a little bit about what it's like to be a winner.
Yeah, we're really excited to be a winner of the Innovation Award. So this product truly is innovative, and I think it's what ISSA had in mind when they came up with this. We have 2 patents on it, a design and a functional patent, so it's truly new and innovative.
Yeah. So tell us, is there anything else you want people to know and where people can go to find out more information?
So Spartan only sells through distributors, so if you want to learn more about this product, then you're going to need to talk to a Spartan distributor. So we have select distribution in the United States, and that's where you would go to find out more information about this product.
All right. Well, thank you so much. Sounds really effective, and it sounds like a great solution.
It is. I hope that everyone comes and checks it out. We're booth 2427.
All right. Thank you so much. For ISSA TV, I'm Sarah Stackhouse.